cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our Precut Taillight Tint, but what you might not know is that Bogart Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Hyundai Kona, and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire taillight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. However, if you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or some type of coating, you can use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And also you're going to need a clean microfiber towel to remove all the contaminants. So just grab your slip solution first, spray it onto the entire taillight lens, and remove all the contaminants. And while you're prepping the taillights, just clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the film does touch the paint or anywhere else on the body, it doesn't catch any contaminants. Okay, so we're going to start with piece number 1, and with this one, just grab your slip solution and apply it to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. Lay it down to the panel here, and you can start your alignment right on the edge right here. So just place it, and some of the film is going to just overlap with this one here. So once you align it, grab your tack solution and spray it underneath and on top to tack it down and to secure the entire film. Okay, so once you finish tacking down the film, we're going to seal the edges here. You can apply tack solution all around the edge and use a heat gun or a hair dryer to seal the edges. And then once you seal the edge, we could install the next piece that covers this side here. Okay, same process with this one. Just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And we're going to align it to the edge, and it should overlap with this film right here. Align it as close to the edge as possible, but also just making sure it overlaps or meets it as close to this one as possible. Okay, should be good here. So now just grab your tack solution, spray it underneath and on top of the film, and squeegee the film, remove all of the bubbles, secure it, and then seal the edges. Right here we just need to help it tack down because it is a small little curve. So we just need to secure this section here first. So once you apply tack solution, tack it down, secure it, and then we'll apply heat so that way it stays tacked down here, since it may want to lift over time. Okay, and to remove this finger here, just lift it carefully and bring it down just by a little bit. You may need to lift and align it as you go too. So to align it, just apply slip solution once more. Okay, and now we need to worry about sealing the edge right here, that way it doesn't lift over time. So just apply tack solution with a little bit of heat, and then we should be good. And also just seal around the whole entire edge, that way we should be good and it doesn't lift, and also to help remove fingers. Okay, so for this piece here, we're going to start with our alignment right here and then work our way to the other end right here. So just apply slip solution to the lens and to the side of the film. Tack it down, align it to the edge, and then apply tack solution underneath and then on top to secure it. That way we could work from here to the other end. Okay, make sure everything stays aligned and just help it tack down slowly. You can also apply tack solution just to help the adhesive activate faster. And just secure and tack down. Okay, in order to seal the edge here and to remove all the fingers that we have, just apply tack solution, grab your heat device and apply heat where you see the fingers. And right here we're going to also apply heat, that way it would just help the film tack down better since there's a small little curve. So apply heat. Okay, so for the last piece here, just apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And place the film onto the panel right here. And you can start either on this end or the other end. It doesn't really matter, just make sure wherever you start, you align it, tack it down, and just work your way to the other side. So align it right on the edge, grab your tack solution, spray it underneath and on top of the film. Grab your squeegee, make sure everything stays aligned, and then tack it down slowly. Okay, once it's secured, just work your way to the other end. Make sure to remove all of the solution underneath the film, that way we don't have any water bubbles. And then once you're done installing everything, the last thing to do would be to post heat everything. Also, if you did do your alignment here, you just need to stretch the film just by a little bit on the other end here, just so it reaches the other edge. So it's just a light stretch. And then hold it in place and then just tack it down. So once you finish with the entire installation, the last thing to do would be to post heat everything. So just grab your tack solution, spray it to the entire taillight lens. And you're going to use your heat gun. You can also use a hair dryer and just apply heat throughout the entire taillight. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. And also we're going to use a microfiber towel as we're applying heat, just in case if the film is lifting, we just help it tack back down, and also it will help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So just take your time applying heat throughout the entire panel, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the taillight tints for the Hyundai Kona. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also, don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kit for the Hyundai Kona. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.